Yo, what's up,
What's
everybody?
up?
So today we are doing Ryan 3000 once again. Cannot wait to get into it. Let me explain the rules and we'll get right into the world. Nope, that's F3. Oh, that's... Ooh, that's all the wrong buttons. Okay. One Minecraft day every day for an entire year. We can't miss a day. No editing allowed.
Caw.
We can't... we can't edit. So that's why you see OBS in the beginning and why he's just macing him. One sub equals one chicken. In other words, each subscriber we get, we have to get another chicken. Alright, let's get
We're
right
a
into it.
little bit ahead.
A little bit, a little bit. I
We have
forgot to
what?
shorten my render distance before I joined the
3,000
world.
chickens and like
I did AFK a little
30
bit, so we'll
iron?
see if there's iron. Video settings.
Iron? How much
Uh,
did you AFK?
I did AFK. We're
I said
going...
how much.
I don't know. We gotta go down there and see.
I mean, how much did you AFK?
Uh, I don't know. Maybe an hour at most. Probably.
Alright.
I hope so.
You know what you should do? We should go to World Spawn and put the iron farm there and make an iron farm there.
Are you over by the
So it's
chickens?
always loaded. Um, no, but I'm laggy. They're actually kinda. I'm like near them.
Can you
I'm trying to go down there right
slow
now.
down your render distance or like lower your render distance?
It shouldn't matter for me, but I will. Oh, maybe. No. It's still. I'm going down to the chickens right now. I'm going to get some iron, see if how much iron there is.
Hmm. Okay. Yep, the game is so laggy.
It's because you also AFK'd the chickens.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of chickens. Those items are still there. There's no
Hmm.
way.
Oh, yeah, we've got a whopping 18 iron.
I AFK'd though! I don't understand.
It probably didn't reach because
Yeah.
you were AFKing in the base.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Let me get the timer up before I didn't forget. Oh. Alright. Don't forget your timer next time. Alright. I have to lie again. So we are posting this one a little late because we got distracted playing Donut, but that's okay.
Man, I'm tired.
That's okay. That's okay. We're only doing one video this time. Alright. You're away from the chickens.
Kinda. There we go.
Everything's not laggy now. That's good. Okay. So, we need ideas in the comments as to what to do.
We need to make another iron farm.
We need to make another iron farm. That's a good idea, but like,
We're on the latest version too, which means pearls load chunks. So we can make an iron farm and load the chunks with pearls.
wait, is that iron farm in a chunk?
Hmm?
Could we just load the chunk that's there?
I mean, it would make the game probably constantly laggy all the
But it
time.
would only like load that one chunk.
No, it loads. I think pearls load like 3 chunks in a radius, like a radius of
Oh.
3 chunks. So that probably wouldn't work out too
Well, there goes that idea. Alright, so we need to build an iron farm. You want to do that today?
well. I guess we could.
In other words,
Where should
no,
we build
no,
it
do
up?
not. And these trees didn't grow anymore neither?
I'm just a little unmotivated. I'm really tired.
Okay.
But it's fine. It's fine.
It's
We
okay.
move on.
It's okay. It's okay.
And then really dripped out armor.
Yeah, you are. Thanks for the armor, by the way. That was really
Good.
nice. Tree, 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 tree.
G.
What?
Hmm?
I'm mining trees.
You're mining G's.
Gee. Trees. Well, now I don't know what to do. We
What do
need
you mean?
ideas.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
You're such a.
What?
What were you gonna say?
Recently, we've just been farming wheat, getting villagers.
Mhm.
Nothing too interesting. Ooh. Oh. Yo.
Mhm.
Fortune 1, efficiency 2. Nice.
Mhm.
Really nice. Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
gonna make getting wood a lot easier.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Here, switch me.
What?
Switch me axes.
Ooh, efficiency 3.
You're the one that's always mining wood. Might as well. It'd be better for you
Might
to have.
as well. Thank you.
You're
That'll make it
welcome.
a lot easier.
Mhm.
Oh, I did get Fulbright. So if I press G, oh, it brightens up. Why did it lag so bad?
I think I stepped too close to the area. My bad.
That's okay.
So where should we make this iron farm at?
I don't know. Do you want to build it right here?
Can't build it too close to our base,
Good point.
because then it'll interfere because it counts as another village right there. Same reason that you can't build them too close to each other. So I'd say probably like
Right here.
over where I am. It's pretty far away from the base and stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get a boat. Get the villagers. Put the villagers in the boat. Then
We might have to bring them
boom.
far.
We're gonna have to what?
So we might have to bring them kind of far. And the only problem with this is the only place I can find right now is just like a forest. And we'd have to mine down the entire area, which I guess we can. By the way, are you able to sleep?
Yep. WD. This guy does not trade that. What are you trading? Okay.
I'm gonna start chopping down the trees over here so we can make it over here.
Okay,
And
I'm
then you
gonna
start
get the
leveling around.
villagers.
Yeah, try to get the villagers over here.
How many villagers do we need? 3?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay, so we're just going to put the boat right here. Oh, I guess we can mine out our area a little bit better. I want to do more decorating and stuff. Make our house look
Hmm.
nice.
That'd be nice. So what's the radius that needs to be like pathed off or whatever, or cleared out?
I don't know. I know it's a lot. Alright, that's just going to get us in and out now. Okay. Villager. They'll come for bread, won't they?
Yeah. Well, I don't know about that.
Apparently not.
Mm.
Oh, you dug this out. Means we can. This is probably the wheat farm. Who cares? Yeah, it was.
What?
I dug into the wheat farm to get the villagers out.
Mm.
Do we have leads?
I don't think so.
We do not.
You
Wait, I
should just be
think
able to craft from a string though.
with string, I think it costs slime ball though.
No, in the latest version it doesn't. It's just 5 string.
What?
So you can make some leads. You also can't lead villagers. I guess you can lead the boat if they're in a boat.
Oh, that's awesome. You just
Yeah.
changed the game for me entirely.
You can also like craft saddles. And I think name tags, or no, that's like in
Oh
the new
no.
snap.
Yeah, name tags is new snapshot, which we will move to soon.
On here.
Yeah.
Are we able to?
Update your world every once in a
Be
while.
able to update your world.
Okay. So that didn't work.
Why not?
I just got out. Super awesome boat or water clutch. Wrong buttons every single time.
Oh, by the way, check here.
Oh, it's farmland. Here.
Click on that in chat. That's where you need to bring the villagers to.
Oh, you can do waypoints on multiplayer with the map?
You can share them in chat.
That's awesome.
Hmm.
Can't see it because it's out of my render, I'm guessing.
What do you mean?
I can't see the waypoint.
Well, you have to click on it in chat and actually add it yourself.
Oh. Confirm. Hey! Works.
Nice.
Don't suffocate. Oh, they can't suffocate in leaves, I don't think.
Mm-mm.
Just
They can't.
to float over this. Run out of blocks real fast.
How much time we got left?
8 minutes and 7 or 16, 13 seconds.
Alright.
What?
What?
The villagers, they just like full teleport.
Mm.
Hey. Actually, we're just going down the mountain. Get that. I need to practice my PvP. Killing that zombie was really sad. I feel like this video is really quiet.
Probably. I'm not. Like I said, I'm really tired. I'm not very talkative right now. Sorry.
That's okay.
Yay.
Huh?
I said yay.
Yay! Had to end up going up the mountain anyways. Should not have just jumped straight down. I should be using leaves to do all of this building. Oh, I see. This is cool. Little flat out area. Wow. Okay. Now go get the other one. Because you need 3 villagers instead of just 2.
And you can always breed these two.
I
If
like
that would
that
be
idea.
easier.
Yep, we can do that.
So we get 3 beds and some bread.
Okay, I'm gonna go set a waypoint at our base.
Alright.
Using all the cool tech. We got 5 minutes and 25 seconds, and then we are done.
Nice. And then we can go sleep. My heart obey.
You can go to sleep now if you want to.
Nah, I gotta do the video.
Gotta get the video done.
Now I'm flooding this entire place to get all the leaf litter and grass away so I can turn it all into path blocks.
I feel like I probably don't have enough blocks to do this.
What are you trying to do?
Go over everything. Oh, they're on the path. What? Yo. These ones were so much easier to move. Oh, I
Are you
forgot.
just moving?
Yeah, I went ahead and moved these ones. I forgot we were just going to breed them. Huh, I almost died like 3 times in a row. It's okay. Alright, we got 4 villagers.
Oh, cover them up before mobs start to spawn.
Oh, good point.
Or sleep. Do you have a bed?
Mm-mm. Or, yeah. I do have a bed.
Nice.
Got 2 minutes and 50 seconds ish, something like that. So I don't need to cover these guys up anymore. I connect. Okay, that was. Oh, I didn't hit that villager. You did not see that.
I really didn't.
Okay, good. Okay, I think this is a big enough area. Should work. Alright, we got 2 minutes. So at 1 minute, I'm going to start running over to the AFK spot because I really want AFK tonight. Well, not tonight, but
Make sure to like actually, AFK close enough this
yeah,
time.
I will. I learned from my mistakes. Give me a composter. I need a hopper. Sometime we will put all this leaf litter to use. And just all of the junk.
I don't know what we're gonna use it for, but I guess.
Huh?
So I don't know what we're gonna use the leaf litter for, but I guess.
Compost.
Yeah, fair.
Oh, I can craft one. I'll do it some other time. Shovel for that. How big do you need it again?
No clue. You should probably just start. I don't even know. I'm too tired to do all this right now. I don't really know what I'm
We got 40 seconds. I did not notice it passed the 1 minute mark. I'm going to head back to the base. I completely forgot to set it as a waypoint. Alright, I'm going into the chicken area, so it's going to be really laggy. Like, really laggy.
Okay. I think I'm just gonna log off now to try to save from the lag.
Alright. Alright. That's time.
Yay.
Bye.
Bye.